No. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm from Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are welcome back, okay? You're welcome back, no, okay? If I never mkpụrụ edemede Igbo, that is the Igbo alphabet. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị 36. That is 36. The letters of the Igbo alphabet are 36. Okay? Are 36. Nya, 36. Today we are going to use Igbo Izugbe. Igbo Izugbe is Central Igbo. Okay? Normally taught in schools. Today, okay? Guess. That is why I said iri ato na isi. That is 36. Normally, in my own dialect, which I've been using on this channel since inception, would have been ilito nishi. That is 36. Okay? But this today, we are going to use Igbo Izugbe on this particular topic, which is mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Letters of the Igbo alphabet. Before we continue, please pay attention to enable you get the correct sounds. Okay? Sorry. A, B, Chi, D, E, Fi, Gi, We, Re, Gui, He, E, A, G, Ki, B, Qui, Li, Mi, Ni, Nge, Nwe, Nye, O, Pe, Re, Se, She, Ti, U, O, Vi, We, Ye, Z. Z. And that is it. In order to master this, just stop and replay this video. Okay? Very good. It's not difficult. Now, let's make it more interesting. Okay? Yes. Azu. Azu. Bia. Bia. Chi. Chota. Chi. Chota. Detuo. Detuo. Efere. Efere. Fi. Foto. Gi. Gawa. Gi. Gawa. Gbe. Gbanye. Gbe. Gbanye. Re. Rota. Re. Rota. Gwe. Gworo. Gwe. Gworo. He. Hapo. He. Hapo. I. Ite. I. Ite. Iga. Iga. Ji. jere. Ji, jere. Ki, kedu. Bi, bo. Bi, bo. Kwi, kwere. Kwi, kwere. Li, liri. Mi, mmiri. Ni, nna. Ngi, ṅụọ. Nwe, nwanyị. Nye, nyere. Nye, nyere. O, obodo. Ọ, ọnwa. Ọ, ọnwa. Pi, pụta. Ri, rituo. Si, sie. Shi, ọsha. Shi, ọsha. Ti, ta. U, unu. U, ụda. Wi, wepụ. Wi, wepụ. Yi, ya. Z, zuru. Z, zuru. Okay? I hope you learned a thing or two. Just stop the video and replay it so you'll be able to master this. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we are going to look at our vowels and consonants and diaphragms in Igbo. We have a lot to talk about. So let's make it a date next time. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so when next I make a new upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye.